The origin of the universe, the Big Bang. Welcome to the story of everything. Today, we will embark on an extraordinary journey that will take us to the very root of our universe. Get ready to uncover the mystery of the Big Bang, the moment when everything began. Imagine a time before time, a space before space. Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was a singularity, an incredibly hot and dense point where all the forces of nature were united. In an instant, everything changed. In a titanic explosion known as the Big Bang, this point expanded at an unimaginable speed. Energy transformed into matter, and the universe began to take shape. But what was there before the Big Bang? That is a question that still intrigues us, a question that challenges our understanding. Some scientists suggest there may have existed another universe, while others believe that time itself began with this explosion. As the universe expanded, it began to cool, paving the way for the creation of subatomic particles. In the first microseconds, quarks and electrons formed. Then these grouped together to form protons and neutrons. As it cooled further, these protons and neutrons began to combine, forming the first atomic nuclei. At 3 minutes after the Big Bang, the universe was primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, the building blocks of everything we know. However, during this period, the universe was a hostile place, filled with radiation and chaos. Light could not travel freely, creating a dark and mysterious cosmos. Centuries of millions of years passed before light began to shine. Small density fluctuations in the primordial universe began to attract matter, forming gas clouds that collapsed under their own gravity, giving rise to the first stars. These stars not only illuminated the darkness, but they were also factories of elements. Through nuclear fusion, they began to create heavier elements, such as carbon and oxygen. Without these stars, life could not exist. The largest stars eventually exploded in supernovae, scattering these elements throughout the universe. This cycle of life and death of stars is what allowed the formation of new solar systems, including our own home. Within the stars, nuclear fusion created the elements that are the basis of life. When supernovae exploded, they released these elements into space where they would combine to form new planets and eventually, life itself. Every atom of our body, every molecule that makes us up, has its origin in these distant stars that lived and died eons ago. It is a reminder that we are part of a vast cosmos. But all of this is just the beginning. Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago from the remnants of these stellar explosions. For millions of years, our planet was a hostile place, but eventually conditions became favorable for life. In our next video, we will explore how the first structures of life on Earth formed and what conditions were necessary for life to emerge from primordial chemistry. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey to the origins of our universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. Leave us your comments on what you would like to learn in the next video. Until next time on The Story of Everything.